Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Christopher De Leon, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Baron Geisler, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Joel Lamangan, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Christopher Martin, Mga Lihim ni Urduha, GMA7. Joel Torre, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z.
Bigat na mga pangalan. Good luck sa'yo, bro.
Uwi na lang ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, the star for Best Drama Supporting Actor goes to... You want to read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, BMPC Past President, Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Thank you po. Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, BMPC, for the surprise. Akala ko mag-host lang ako ngayon, pero may pagganito pala. So thank you, BMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng BMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff, Ate Gian, Cornerstone Entertainment. And ginawa ko to panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko to sa kanya para to sa'yo, JM. Thank you po. So magre-present naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for
for
a recap, Tito Boy had awards, Jella had an award, you had an award.
Parang ikaw dapat.
I'm hoping for this next category, I would win.
Dapat, no?
Sana.
And this next category is for the Best Drama Supporting Actress. May chance. Malakas yung chance. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA7. Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, TV5 A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to... Miss Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pie.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bacud.
Ayan. Sa wakas. Hindi, no, I would really like to thank BMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari. Honors nominated, pero
There, okay. It's all good.
hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picache.
No, ayun nga, sa wakas. Sinuli talaga. And then, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira ako manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And, you know, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But you know, in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate, and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape. And to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, Teen, everybody in the group. Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na ibinibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ako, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mo malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Well, deserved award. We love you and congratulations, Ms. Cherry Pie. Well, deserved award. Okay. Now let's have the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor. And the nominees are...
Performance by an Actor, Benjamin Alves, Magpakailanman, Mister na Walang Misis, GMA 7, Martin Del Rosario, Magpakailanman, Almost a Champion, Danenerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA 7, Kokoy De Santos, Magpakailanman, A Son's Promise, The Kokoy De Santos Story, GMA 7, Gabby Eigenman, Magpakailanman, Mana sa Inang Ama, GMA 7, Edgar Allan Guzman, Magpakailanman, Love Times 3, The Joel and April Regal Love Story, GMA 7, Alden Richards, Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right. And the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to... Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Check. Tama ka na, Robbie. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakailanman, of course, Kuya Senny Ticue, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send the message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So, para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode, I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like. And one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So, this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC, and good evening.
Congratulations, Alden.
Congratulations. Thank you for that beautiful and heartfelt speech. Grabe. Nakaka-inspire. And tama, let's all be kinder to each other. Now finally, one of the most coveted trophies tonight. Sino nga ba ang nagwagi tonight? The star for the best single performance by an actress. Nominees pala. Here are the nominees.
GMA7, Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA7, Rian Ramos, Magpakailanman, Ang Hiling sa Diyos, The Vance Uy Kwaki Story, GMA7.
Alright, and the star for the best single performance by a lead actress goes to Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
And thank you PMPC Star Awards for this best single. Ang sarap namnamin, wait lang. Best single performance by an actress. Actress na ako! Oh my gosh! And ilan po yata sa inyo, alam nyo na first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy Siete hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interes sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa aking role o trabaho,
sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling. Kaya ninamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors, lahat, co-actors, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking home network, mulat sa pool na tumuntong ako sa showbiz industry, ang GMA7. Maraming salamat ang Sparkle family, ang PPL family, at higit sa lahat sa pamilya ko na si Arthur Solinap na asawa ko na lagi nakakakita na minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh, naglalakad tayo sa mall, bakit mukha kang warrior maglakad? So, name-method ko na minsan at syempre sa anak kong si Shiloh, anak, para sa ito. And maraming salamat po magpakailanman. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you so much. We feel you. Congratulations to all of our awardees. We are nearing the last stretch of our program as more awards are up for grabs when the 37th Star Awards for Television returns.
This special is brought to you by Smile 360 Dental Clinic.